What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video guys I'm going to show you how to insert an image from the web into a Google Doc document, right? So as you can see, I have just a text here within the Google Doc, just a gibberish text as some may say, and I'm going to simply show you how to do that. So all you have to do in order to insert text within this Google Doc is that you want to click on insert from these menu options here. So click on insert, and the first option in the list is image. So you want to go over and you want to select the option that says search the web. So once you click on that, there will be this right panel open up here and you'll be able to use the search. Now as you can see, I was looking for something AI there, and this is pulling directly from the web. Now you can search for whatever you want. So let's say you want to type Mr. Beast, right? I'm sure that you'll be able to find him. Search that, and now you will see the result of Mr. Beast appear, right? So you can simply go ahead and choose whichever image that you want. Let's find something interesting. Oh, let's choose this one here. All you have to do is just click on the image, then you'll have the option below to insert. So all you have to do is just simply click on insert, and you have the image there. So in order to adjust this, you can easily adjust it. All you have to do is just simply click on the image, then the image will be highlighted. And once the image is highlighted, you can use the arrow here at any side of the image to adjust it to your liking. As you can see there, you can do that. You also have the options here to embed the image. So as you can put it like in line, you can wrap it around the text. You can do break text here. You can do like behind text and also in front of the text. You can do whichever you want. You also have the option to crop it. So once the image is selected, you can simply click on crop image here. This will basically put some border around the image, and you can simply go ahead and crop the image to the size that you so desire. So let's say I don't want the entire body, I just want something like the face here. You can easily go ahead and crop that to your liking. Now once you crop it, all you have to do is just simply click off, and that's it. The image will be cropped. And that's how easy it is guys to easily insert an image from the web into a Google document. So guys, I hope you found this useful, and if you do, you can go ahead, give this video a like, and let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so that you'll never miss out when I release another tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.